Sometimes data-intensive mobile apps like ours just get hung up for whatever reason. There's a lot of technology between your phone and our servers. So for example, if you're using Wi-Fi, there's your router. There might be problems with the router, and then your router connects to a carrier, and that carrier may be having problems. And then there's, through the internet, there are routers from one location to the next, and one router might not be working well, and somebody needs to switch it. And then it finally reaches our servers and comes back. I mean, there's just so much technology here. It's just amazing to me how this all works, still being in technology for 35 years. It really is amazing. But every once in a while, unfortunately, the app just kind of gets stuck. So you'll go to a page, say in this case, maybe go to the appointments page, and it's just stuck for whatever reason. And so this is how to unstick the app and to just reload it into memory. So to hopefully correct the problems. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. So one is on the far lower left-hand corner of this is a Galaxy 7 that I'm using. Androids are different, and so I'm not sure which version you might have that would get you to this particular button, but there is usually a button on, and it's on the front of the phone, and it's in the far lower left. And if I click that, this shows you all your apps, and to take it out of memory, all you do is swipe that. So in this case, it's this on the bottom. You can go through the different apps, but it shows you the ones that are in memory. But I'm just going to swipe this to the right. You could hit close all if you wanted to, but I'm just going to swipe that, and then when you go back, hitting the main button, I just hit the main button, it goes back, and I'm going to launch the app again, and everything should be refreshed and ready to go and should work fine. If it gets stuck on that splash page, then you have bigger problems. That's just something wrong with your connectivity. But just in case it could be the phone, there's one other thing you could do, and that's if you go into your apps and go to settings. It's not showing my clicks here on this screencast, but the settings app, it looks like this. You may be familiar with this. And you go to the apps, and this it's giving me difficulty scrolling. Applications, there it is. Click on applications, and you go down and you find the app that you want to, in this case, I'm using my swiper test program. Click on that. What you want to do is force stop, and then go down to storage and clear cache. Now this isn't going to delete any of your data or anything. Everything's going to be just fine when you do this. So that's all you need to do, and then you can come in again and relaunch the app, and it should work fine then. Like I said, unless there's some type of more serious problem. I mean, somebody could even cut the fiber line in the neighborhood. There can be lots of issues, but these are just a few ways to make sure that it's not your phone that's causing the problem. A few different ways to get out of trouble and get it back up and running. If you have any questions, you can always contact our customer service. Thank you.